Hi, Pre-K. Welcome back. This week, we're going to talk more about problem solving. Last week, I asked you to tell me what the problem was. Remember, the first problem was I couldn't find my coat. The second problem was somebody took the book that I wanted to read. And my third problem was I spilled paint on my picture. So this week, we're going to talk about how to solve the problems that we identified. Okay, so Miss Tina is going to show you how to do that. So if you remember, my first problem was the coat. And I'm going to think of different solutions to solve it. Now here's Miss Tina thinking. She's got a thought bubble above her head. You see that? A thought bubble is just like your speech bubble when you write it in your journals and I can see your words. Well, now my thought bubble shows you what I'm thinking and how to solve my problem. So my first problem was I can't find my coat. So there I am thinking about it. I can't find my coat. Don't know where it's at. So let's think of some solutions. Thinking. Well, my first solution could be that maybe it's in the closet. That is where coats go. So I could always look in the closet. That's one solution. Now, my next one is maybe I'm going to need some help. So maybe I can ask an adult to help me. That's my second solution to my problem. And another one, if I don't want to ask for an adult, I can think back to where was the last place I saw my coat? It was in my backpack, I think. When I came home, I had it in my backpack. So I have three different solutions I can try out. I could go into the closet. I could go look in my backpack, or I could go ask an adult for help. Those are three really good solutions to the problem of where my coat is. And guess what, friends? My coat was not in the closet. I didn't have to ask an adult for help because I went back to the last place I saw my coat. And it was in my backpack the whole time. So I solved my problem. Let's think of our second problem that we had. Do you remember that one? My second problem was my favorite book was being read by somebody else. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. I know some of you like this book too. So I need to think of different solutions to fix my problem. So one solution is I can think of my Fair Ways to Play poster. Do you remember that one? We could share the book. We could play together. Or we can trade books. Maybe if I bring another one over, my friend will trade with me and I can read my book and they can read another one. Or I can take turns. I can wait till they're done and then I can read it when they're done. There's three solutions right there. And you know, if those solutions don't work, you can always ask an adult to come help. An adult can help you with that one. So there's my solution right there. And guess what my solution was that I picked? I didn't have to ask for an adult to help. Nope. In fact, when I offered to play together and share, we sat down and we read the book together. So I solved my problem and we shared. Did you see how I was thinking of all my problems and how I came to a solution? So now it's your turn, friends. What was my third problem? Whoop. I spilled paint all over my picture. So again, how can I solve this problem? I need to think in my thought bubble. Different ways to solve it. My problem is I made a mess and I need to clean it up. So I'm going to ask you to text me what your answers are. Or if you just want to talk to me and tell me what your solutions are and which one you picked, that's good too. I can't wait to hear them. I'm sure you'll think of some really good solutions. I look forward to hearing them. Remember, problem solving is in 2 steps. First, you have to find out what the problem is, identify it. And then your second step is thinking of different solutions to solve it.